Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in my last video, I had shown you my forest model which I had made for my school. Friends, in this video, I will tell you how did I make it. So friends, to make it, first you need a base of a strong thermocol or cardboard. And if you use a thermocol base, so stick a cardboard sheet on it and then stick a large blue sheet on the cardboard sheet. After this, stick something green or real grass from the mat which has grass on it. So, stick it on the sides of the blue sheet and make a shape which is of water. And then where the blue sheet is shown, you have to color it blue, and to spread the blue color, you can use a dye brush. And then you need some small pieces of thermocol and a large triangular piece of thermocol. First stick the triangular piece of thermocol at this side, and then on it stick the small pieces of thermocol like this. And then to make this forest model, you need some toy animals and some toy trees. Stick them wherever you want to stick them, and you can show that some animals are hunting animals. And the way we have made the mountains, you can stick some grass and green sheet on this mountain thermocol. And after that, while you stick the trees, so use any cardboard thing and a thermocol base to make a hut. And you can stick anything to make it beautiful on the sides. And after that, you can make the forest model more beautiful if you show a cave and some border things like these green pieces of sheets and these sticks. So you can stick them on the border to make it more beautiful. And then here in the front, you can write your name to show that it is your model. So in this way, I have made a forest model, and I also want to tell you that how are these stones made. To make these stones, first you need to cut the thermocol in small pieces and then color every piece of thermocol black and then stick it on different places to show that in a forest model, on the surface of the forest, many stones are there, and you can stick any stone in the river also. So in these ways we have made a forest model. Thank you.